honey. Okay, so a while ago, I made a nightstand and I meant to make this as well, but I didn't because that took 3 hours. I didn't expect it to take that long, so we gave up, and however months later it is, we're here now and we're gonna make this one. Yes, are you going to help? Thank you. Thank you for your help. Yes, you are helping. Wow. Also, we're gonna ignore how ugly my background is. I'm planning on cleaning my room for a video, so we're just gonna ignore that because it's content. Don't understand. Okay. I don't know, I'm finding bits of styrofoam, but this is not packaged in styrofoam. Should we like keep this over here for just like inspo so I can look at what might be? Let's do this. This seems hard. Okay. You will be here. Okay, is this interesting content? My last video like this, like, didn't particularly do well. But I had like fun filming it, and it's the only video of mine. What are you? Why is there a hole at the top? It's the only video of mine I can watch without throwing up in my own mouth. So I'm so confused. I am confusion. Yes, wait. Wait, what is this? Okay. This is... Oh, I'm gonna accidentally put it through my leg. Oh, I can feel it. Okay. That's a risk we're gonna have to take right now. So okay, so now we're gonna match them. Dun dun dun. Okay. Let's do it, boys. This is going well for me. You licking your lips? What did you eat? Did you eat something? Why are you looking suspicious? Why are you... My hands are so tired. Okay. Woo! Let's do this again. Oh, I'm using my hands. I'm so incredibly strong. It's unbelievable. Okay, so we got the top one. We'll worry about that. Oh, wait. I think it just worked out for me. Okay, that's cool. That could happen more in my life. I'm sweating. Like, I'm literally sweating. Also, this has like little metal bits all in it, which is concerning. It's just like shredding the metal. Is that supposed to happen? Do you see what I mean about the little like shreds of like metal that's like do you see that? Like, why? So we're gonna just slip right in. A sneaky little devil. And we get to do this again. I have the hiccups now. Where this will futurely reside is at the bottom of my closet, but currently there is a giant like blue tote bin, if you know what I mean. They're filled with precious childhood memories I will throw out tomorrow. Flat boys. Thank you. Flat boys and country boy. Okay, like, are you in there? Is this working out for me? You just like let me know? So many little metal shards everywhere. Like, how do I get these off? Okay, this is disgusting and I'm sorry. Ow! I feel like these screws should like maybe not be breaking off into little metal chunks. I don't know. Just a thought, just a little product review. That one went in like beautiful. Why can no one else go in like that? Why can't you do that? Leave that alone. I didn't screw it in. I didn't screw it in. I knew it was too easy. I knew I didn't struggle enough. Wow, incredible strength. You know what might help? Being able to get to this screw. Did anybody else have like My Little Ponies, and then when you would play with them outside and bring them in, their little magnetic foot, or was this little as Pet Shops? It might have been both. Their little foot would be covered in like pieces of magnety dirt. Yeah, that's what the screwdriver looks like right now. I don't know what to do with you. I don't think I can just rinse that off, first of all, because I don't think it'll work. Second of all, because I respect our oceans. You know what? I don't mind if it's a little jiggly. That's alright with me. Oh, that has words at the top. Attach cover screws. And these covers are not good, but they will work. Why is putting these covers on so difficult? This seems sturdy, right? This is what good craftsmanship looks like. Licking your tummy, honey. Good job, keep up the good work. Okay, well, I feel okay about that. I buy a lot of cheap furniture, but I gotta say, this is by far one of the worst. So I don't know if I'd recommend this unit. Yeah, it's just gonna have shoes on it. My shoes aren't very heavy. I don't really own heavy shoes. I don't know what those would even be. I wear the same pair of running shoes every single day of my life, so. And they're always downstairs, so I don't really know what shoes I'm gonna put on this. And I'm also probably gonna get rid of a lot of shoes, actually, when I clean out my closet. So I might have just built this for nothing. But either way, please enjoy this content I have provided for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like, comment, subscribe. I made a fancy new outro at work today instead of doing any actual work, so please enjoy that. I could have bought this at IKEA for the same price and it would have worked. Hi baby, are you judging my craftsmanship? I don't appreciate that. Oh!